52. All men have not faith. When Paul asked the Christians in Thessalonica to pray for him, he made a request quite different from prayer requests today. He wrote, "Pray for us that we may be delivered from unreasonable and wicked men, for all men have not faith." 2 Thessalonians 3, 1 and 2. It's an obvious fact that all men don't have faith, but Paul here means that not all men who profess to have faith possess it. He describes them in two words. First, they are unreasonable. In the Greek, ataktos, literally men out of place. They don't belong in the church nor in church offices, but they are there to make trouble for the men of faith like St. Paul. An unreasonable man in this sense gums up the works. He's a troublemaker and in the way of useful men. Paul also calls them wicked, a term that can also be translated as perverse or malicious. In the Greek, it is poneros, and in 2 Thessalonians 3:3, the same word is used for Satan. When Paul declares that the Lord will keep the Thessalonians from evil, it is literally from the evil one, Satan. Unreasonable and perverse men are often a major problem to Christian pastors and leaders. Paul tells the church in Thessalonica to pray for his deliverance from all such men. They had been a continuing problem to him, quite obviously. The question for us is a simple one. Are we praying for all who are working faithfully in any capacity to further the work of Christ's kingdom and rule, that they be delivered from unreasonable and wicked men? If not, why not? Look around you. Such prayers are very much needed.